see that the fans is up and running. We put in the entertainment and so forth. So anywhere they put it, we just have to work with it.
Alright, so talk to us about the girl them on the field. How do you feel about their performances in these last couple of games?
Honestly, it wasn't the best performance I see the girls them perform. It could have been typical more, but you know, especially Khadija, I don't think she have that kind of game that she wanted to have this evening. It wasn't, you know, she was a bit frustrated if you check the levels. Even before she scored, she was frustrated, but after she scored the first goal, she had a little momentum coming back down, and then her second goal, and it just sealed everything there for her. It was joyful after all for her, and we as the fans and the rest of the team, it was grateful.
Alright, so in the summertime, right, we're going to be playing some tough games. Do you believe that this team has what it takes to beat those tough teams in the next round?
To be honest, there's more room for improvement. Honestly, we're going to need a little more strength, you know, especially going into these kind of games. It's going to be very tough. So we have to come with our A game. We just have to put our back against the wall and look for what is coming towards us. But we're going to need a little more strength. To be honest, we're going to need more strength.
Alright, big up Tiger. Enough love and respect.
Every time, blessed. Thanks for the interview.
Yeah.